Hi and welcome back to Petite Wreath Petite. Today we are going to make a hair bow which is Shamrock themed, a perfect accessory to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. If you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe. Let's talk about the materials we need first. I picked a shamrock patterned ribbon and metal hair clip. I believe it's called an alligator metal clip, and a pipe cleaner, or actually half of it is enough. When it comes to the tools, we will need sharp scissors, wire cutters, a special glue to attach the metal clip to the back of the bow. I used E6000, a hot glue gun, clips to keep the bow in place while the glue is drying, and a lighter. The first step is to cut the ribbon. I measured 20 inches for the first tail of the bow, so 40 inches total. After the cut, I angled the ending by cutting out a triangle and used the lighter to seal the end to prevent the ribbon from fraying. For the second tail, I measured 16 inches for each side, so a total of 32 inches ribbon length. And the end is also cut in an angle and treated with the lighter. Now it is time to cut the loops, 4 total. Each will have a different measurement. The first cut will measure 20 inches, the second 18 inches, the third 16, and the fourth and last one 14 inches. We also need to cut a 3-inch piece to cover the middle of the bow. After cutting, we glue the ends of the loops together. Simply put some hot glue on one side and overlap it with the other side of the ribbon. We will repeat this step with all 4 loop cuts. To cover the middle part of the bow, we have this 3-inch piece. To size it down, I fold in the outside parts and glue them down. I prefer the gluing over the cutting because it prevents the fraying. What size you choose for the center is up to you. I only fold in as little as needed to keep it wide. But if you choose to keep the center wrap smaller, that is absolutely fine too. Simply fold in more of the ribbon edge. To assemble the bow, we will need our pipe cleaner piece. We start with the biggest loop. We are putting it down, finding the middle to gather the ribbon, and then hold it tight with the other hand. We repeat this step with all 4 loops. To attach the tail, we grab the smaller one first. We have to find the middle, gather the ribbon, and put it behind the ribbon loops. We will repeat this step with the longer tail. To secure the ribbon bundle, we take the pipe cleaner, put it around the middle, and then close it on the back by giving it a few tight twists. To cover the middle part of the bow, we will use the 3-inch strip. We are attaching some hot glue on the back of the ribbon bundle, attaching the ribbon strip by pushing it down, trace the piece over the middle to the other side, and then attach it there as well with some hot glue. Finally, we attach the metal clip to the bow bundle. I use the E6000 glue for this because the metal surface is too smooth to glue it with the hot glue. I put some of the glue onto the metal clip and then attach the ribbon bundle. It is very crucial to keep the pressure on the glue sturdy until it is cured. The recommended time is 72 hours. I use those metal clips to keep everything in place. After 72 hours, the glue was completely cured and the bow is ready to be used. You can purchase the bow and other creations on my website. I will leave the link in the description box below. If you like this tutorial, leave me a thumbs up or comment. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!